In the SPT32 software, we can use it to set the blade depth. We start by going up to the top and clicking on Help, going to Assistance, and clicking on Configuration Assistant. Click on the blue arrow pointing to the right to continue, then click on Individual Settings. And inside this menu, click on Setting the Blade Depth. As you can see, it gives you some visualizations to follow along with. Take the plastic blade clip holder, you screw that screw down until it's showing about 4 millimeters through the plastic clip. And that's approximately 4 threads as well, if you want to go by that. Scrolling down, it talks through cutting the actual mat. You want to place some pieces of paper underneath your mat board so you can later see how deep it went through. And as you see here, it says make a test cut, check whether at least 2 or at the most 3 pages haven't cut right through. If this is not the case, remove the blade and adjust the depth setting screw on the blade holder. Again, that's this screw right here. So we'll go through this a little bit. We'll create our rectangle. It shows to use a width of 24, a height of 24, an opening width of 4, and an opening height of 4. Hit enter to save that. And we would tell the machine to cut. And we'd measure how deep it went through with those pieces of paper underneath our mat board. If we need to adjust it, first we adjust the blade clip holder. We can use the same mat, put it back in there, as well as the paper underneath, and just click on enlarge a rectangle by 1 centimeter. Now this will actually increase the size by 1 inch if we have it set to inches in our settings. Then cut that mat again and check your blade depth. And do this until your blade depth is set properly. Close the assistant by clicking on the red X. And this is how you set your blade depth using the SPT32 software.